Hey everybody, and welcome to my kitchen. Have you ever wanted to have instant popcorn? Let's get started. Turn on your Instant Pot and press the saute button until it says more. This will get the pot nice and hot. Remove the lid and set it aside. To the pot, we're going to add 1/4 cup of coconut oil, or you can use something like vegetable or canola oil. Once the oil has melted, add in 1/2 cup of popcorn kernels and stir them around so they all get coated in the oil. Place a glass lid over the pot and keep it there until the popcorn is all done cooking. I love watching popcorn cook. It never ceases to amaze me how some heat can change a hard kernel into something soft and delicious. After a couple of minutes, and when you hear the popcorn slow down in popping, this means it is done. Remove the lid and stir the popcorn around to make sure you got all of the kernels. At this point, you have perfectly popped popcorn. You can now flavor it however you want. I am a huge fan of kettle corn, and I get it every time I go to the movies. So I'm going to show you how to make a sweet glaze to go over the popcorn. In a small pot over medium-high heat, add 8 tablespoons of butter. When it has melted, add 1/4 cup of sugar and bring it to a boil. Boil for about 2 minutes. Add in 1 tablespoon of water and stir well. Quickly pour the glaze over the popcorn and stir it until it's evenly coated. If you want, at this point you can add in some salt to make it a little more sweet and salty. Throw the bowl into the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the glaze to cool. Serve this popcorn up for your next family game night, when you're watching a movie, or if you just want to have a yummy snack. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.